birthday to you.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. We thought we'd make you a video, so here it is. Hi, Evan.
Hi.
Can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Hi, Lorelai.
Hi, Daddy.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
Hi, Reedy.
Hi, Dad.
Can I ask you some questions?
What questions are you going to ask me?
Questions about Grandma?
Oh.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Hi, Logan.
Hi, Dad.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
I'm going to ask the kids questions, and you get to hear their answers. So, love you. What is Grandma's favorite color?
Blue. Blue.
Blue?
Blue.
Blue? What is Grandma's favorite book?
I did say
What is her favorite book?
this one. Which one? Wizard books. Hey, Otter.
You.
It's green.
Green? Grandma's favorite book's green? Okay.
That Moby Dick book.
What is Grandma's favorite movie?
It's Power Rangers.
Power Rangers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Got it. These ones are mine. The same movies that we watch. Kind of a hard one.
There's a lot of good movies out there, huh?
Mhm. Harry Potter.
How old is Grandma?
What? These?
She's 5?
Yeah. Like 5?
Grandma's 5? Aren't you 6? Are you older than Grandma?
No.
Okay. How old do you think Grandma's gonna be? 18.
About 40.
About 40. Okay.
You know, in the 40s range.
It's a good answer.
Cover! 5? Blood!
What is Grandma's favorite toy?
Sewing machine? A doll.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
Who is Grandma's favorite person?
Logan. Grandpa.
Grandpa, that's a good guess.
Me?
You? You sure? you tell Grandma a joke?
No.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Chicken.
Chicken who?
I'm a chicken. Please turn me into a chicken pot pie.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Chicken pie pie.
Chicken pie pie who?
Yeah.
Look.
Who's there?
Chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie who?
That chicken pot pie just turned into a house. What is the best way to say a witch?
I don't know.
On television, so she can't get you. That's fun. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Lorelai.
What's tomorrow?
Grandma's birthday.
What's her favorite color?
Her favorite color is red.
Do you know her favorite book?
Her favorite book is Twilight.
How about her favorite movie?
Her favorite movie is also Twilight.
Do you know how old she's turning tomorrow?
Grandma's turning 55 tomorrow.
Alright. Do you know a joke to tell her?
I do know a joke to tell her.
What is it?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Do you know her favorite toy?
Her favorite toy is the camper.
Do you know her favorite person?
Where are you pointing at the camera, Laura? Her favorite person is me.
Daddy, Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you. We miss you.
Alright, end this thing.
Hope you liked it. Happy birthday, Grandma. We love you. We really miss you. And we hope this shows you how much we care about you. I know the kids got their questions wrong, but what can you say? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
How much do you love Grandma?
A lot.
A lot?
About as much as a whale is big.
Wow, that's a lot.
I love you a lot.